My name's Benny. I was adopted. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. My birth name was Kalancho Tomentosa, but my caretaker decided to call me Benny. I have 3 other adopted siblings too. My caretaker adopted me and my sister Luna last. Altogether, I'm Benny, this is my sister Luna, my adopted brother Monty, and my other sister Georgie. We're all a type of succulent with different methods of adaptation. For example, my stem is woody, meaning hard, and that I have characteristics that allow me to stay above ground in the winter. We all have cellulose, a major component of our cell walls consisting of chains of glucose monomers which provide structure. Because of our contents of cellulose, we are able to provide the natural resource to the environment and provide structure to ourselves, allowing for exchange of oxygen to successfully take place between us and the environment. Without cellulose, our basic structure would fail. Take my relatives in greenhouses, for example. All of them naturally produce gibberellins and auxin, each a hormone that regulates their growth and development. Going back to structure, these hormones enhance all of our abilities to grow more quickly and enhance our survival and growth. From the water-conserving hairs on my surface to the cuticle layer on Monty and Luna, their waxy coating to preserve water, all go back to our adaptations. As precipitation builds from the oceans and moisture of the atmospheres into the clouds and onto us, the moisture which dampens the soil and is picked up by our roots, called transpiration, is transported by phloem and combines with sunlight energy to provoke photosynthesis. Thus, we call ourselves autotrophs as we utilize our own food. Produced correctly, as oxygen is released as waste during photosynthesis, the gas is released into the atmosphere. The oxygen released provides an additional resource to the moisture of water in the air. Thus, once we utilize the water correctly, water is able to sustain itself in the air with our production of oxygen and can be evaporated again into the clouds. Thus, the cycle of water is completed. Without us to produce oxygen, water would be unconsumable and unbreathable by humans, and there would only be hydrogen gas in the air until it would run out. Our contribution to the water cycle may be overlooked as we are small organisms playing a big role in the survival of life on Earth.